In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the glove box light bulb located right behind this switch right here. This covers 2005 Chrysler 300. You're going to open up your glove box. Right behind our little button right here is our glove box light. Go ahead and reach up behind this here. We'll go ahead and wiggle this. Pop this unit out. And here's our bulb right here. Simply grab that bulb, wiggle that out, pulling it outward. Now before installing your light bulb, you want to make sure that you're wearing some sort of glove. You do not want to touch your light bulbs with your bare hands. Go ahead and line up the base of your bulb with the little tabs inside. Simply press it down and in. Line the switch back up, press it into place, and close your glove box.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.